Saffron powerful effects. Eat saffron for 30 days, and this happens to your internal body organs. Saffron, commonly known as the golden spice, is one of the most treasured and expensive spices globally. It is celebrated not only for its distinctive aroma and vibrant hue, but also for its exceptional health benefits. Derived from the delicate Crocus sativus flower, saffron is hand-harvested, making it an expensive commodity. However, beyond its culinary charm, saffron is recognized for its impressive health-boosting properties. In this video, we delve into the numerous benefits of saffron, supported by recent research, scientific findings, and real-life experiences, and explore why it is more than just a culinary indulgence. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Sexual health and libido enhancement. Saffron is well known for its aphrodisiac properties and its ability to enhance sexual health for both men and women. In men, saffron has been shown to improve erectile function and enhance overall sexual performance, while in women, it can increase arousal and satisfaction. Studies have demonstrated that saffron supplementation helps increase sexual desire and reduce issues associated with sexual dysfunction. These libido-enhancing effects make saffron a natural option for those looking to boost their intimate health. A 2021 study conducted on 70 men with erectile dysfunction found that saffron supplementation improved erectile function scores by 40% over a span of 10 weeks compared to a placebo group. Number 2. Potential anti-cancer properties. Emerging research highlights the potential of saffron in combating cancer. Crocin and quercetin have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in several cancer types, including breast, colon, and prostate cancers. Importantly, these compounds selectively target cancer cells while sparing normal, healthy cells. This selective activity makes saffron a promising candidate for adjunctive cancer therapy, helping to complement traditional cancer treatments. A 2021 study published in Cancer Research Journal demonstrated that crocin, when used in combination with chemotherapy, improved the efficacy of the treatment in mice with colorectal cancer. This suggests that saffron could be used as an adjunct therapy to enhance the effects of traditional cancer treatments. Number 3. Promotes heart health. Saffron's antioxidant properties extend to supporting cardiovascular health. Quercetin, an active compound in saffron, has been found to improve blood circulation and lower cholesterol levels. It also helps in regulating blood pressure, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. By improving the health of the blood vessels and reducing arterial inflammation, saffron can contribute to maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Including saffron in your diet may be an effective way to promote heart health naturally. A case study involving a 56-year-old man with hypertension showed significant improvement in his blood pressure levels after incorporating saffron tea into his daily routine for 2 months. His doctor noted a 15% reduction in systolic blood pressure, and the patient reported feeling more energetic and less fatigued. Number 4. Mood enhancement and antidepressant effects. Saffron has been dubbed the sunshine spice, not only because of its bright yellow color, but also for its ability to uplift mood. It has been shown to have antidepressant properties that help alleviate symptoms of mild to moderate depression and anxiety. Studies suggest that saffron works by increasing the levels of serotonin, the neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating mood and emotion. Unlike conventional antidepressants, saffron offers these mood-enhancing benefits with minimal side effects, making it an attractive natural option for mental health support. In a 2023 survey involving 120 participants who incorporated saffron supplements into their daily routine, 85% reported an improvement in mood and a decrease in anxiety levels. One participant mentioned, "After using saffron for just 3 weeks, he felt my mood lift significantly and experienced fewer anxiety attacks compared to before." Number 5. Cognitive function and neuroprotective benefits. Saffron may help improve cognitive function, particularly in aging individuals. Its neuroprotective properties are largely attributed to crocin and other antioxidants, which help prevent damage to brain cells. Research indicates that saffron can inhibit the accumulation of beta amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Studies have shown that saffron supplementation is just as effective as certain prescription drugs in improving symptoms of Alzheimer's disease, highlighting its potential as a natural treatment for neurodegenerative disorders. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Neurology found that patients with early-stage Alzheimer's who took 30 milligrams of saffron daily for 16 weeks showed significant improvements in cognitive function compared to those taking a placebo. Also, participants noted improvements in memory recall and daily functioning. Number 6. Vision health support. Saffron has shown promise in supporting eye health, especially for individuals suffering from age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Crocus is believed to improve retinal function and protect photoreceptor cells in the eye. Studies suggest that saffron supplementation can enhance visual acuity and slow the progression of AMD, offering a natural approach to maintaining healthy vision as we age. Regular consumption of saffron could help improve overall retinal health and preserve eyesight. An elderly patient with AMD reported improved vision clarity after using saffron supplements for 6 months. She shared, "I noticed I could read without straining my eyes as much, and the colors seemed more vivid. Saffron truly made a difference." Number 7. Weight management aid. Saffron can be a beneficial tool for those looking to manage their weight. It is known to reduce appetite and curb food cravings, helping to prevent overeating. The mood-enhancing properties of saffron also contribute to reducing emotional eating triggered by stress or anxiety. In a study, individuals who took saffron supplements experienced a significant reduction in snacking frequency, which helped them manage their body weight more effectively. Thus, saffron could be a valuable natural aid for weight management. A 2022 clinical trial involving 100 overweight participants found that those who took saffron extract had a 55% reduction in snacking frequency and lost an average of 2 kilograms more than those in the placebo group over an 8-week period. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Saffron's anti-inflammatory effects are not limited to heart health. Its anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce general inflammation in the body, which can alleviate chronic pain and discomfort. Saffron has been used as a natural remedy for premenstrual syndrome, PMS, providing relief from pain, cramps, and mood swings. Studies have found that a daily dose of saffron significantly reduces PMS symptoms, making it a helpful natural alternative for women seeking relief from menstrual discomfort. Women participating in a PMS relief study in 2023 noted that saffron supplements helped reduce their symptoms by almost 60%. One user stated, "I used to dread my monthly cycle, but after adding saffron, my cramps and mood swings have lessened considerably." Number 9. Rich in antioxidants. Saffron is rich in antioxidants, which play a significant role in protecting the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Key compounds in saffron, quercetin, saffronol, and camphorol, help combat free radicals, which, if left unchecked, can lead to various chronic diseases. Crocus, the pigment responsible for saffron's vivid color, is a powerful antioxidant that has shown potential in preventing cellular damage, thereby reducing the risk of diseases like cancer and heart conditions. Regular consumption of saffron may provide the body with an effective shield against oxidative damage. Number 10. Blood sugar regulation. For individuals with diabetes or those at risk, saffron may help regulate blood sugar levels. Its antioxidant properties have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which in turn helps maintain stable blood glucose levels. Additionally, saffron may help in reducing HbA1c levels, an important marker for long-term blood sugar control. This makes saffron a valuable natural supplement for managing blood sugar and supporting metabolic health. A patient with type 2 diabetes incorporated saffron supplements into their diet and observed a 12% reduction in fasting blood glucose levels over a 3-month period. They also reported better energy levels throughout the day. Number 11. Respiratory health benefits. Saffron has been traditionally used to support respiratory health thanks to its anti-inflammatory and bronchodilatory properties. It helps relax the airways and reduce inflammation, which can alleviate symptoms associated with asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory issues. By improving airflow and reducing congestion, saffron may help individuals breathe easier, especially during respiratory flare-ups or allergy seasons. Number 12. Hormonal balance and menstrual health. Saffron plays a role in regulating hormonal imbalances, particularly in women. It can help stabilize menstrual cycles and alleviate common symptoms of PMS, such as cramps, bloating, and irritability. Saffron's mood-lifting properties are also beneficial for women experiencing emotional fluctuations due to PMS or menopause, providing a natural way to manage these symptoms and improve overall quality of life. Number 13. Male fertility boost. Saffron's benefits extend to male reproductive health. Studies have shown that saffron can improve sperm motility, count, and overall quality, which are essential factors for male fertility. Its antioxidant properties protect sperm from oxidative damage, thereby enhancing their viability. Regular use of saffron may improve male fertility parameters and support reproductive health. Number 14. Skin health and anti-aging benefits. Saffron is a popular ingredient in skincare routines due to its numerous benefits for skin health. It helps brighten the complexion, reduce pigmentation, and promote an even skin tone. The anti-inflammatory properties of saffron make it effective in reducing acne and other skin irritations. Moreover, saffron's antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, slowing down the aging process and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, leading to a youthful and radiant complexion. Well, that covers all the essential health benefits of saffron. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions and uses of this golden spice. Question 1. What is the best way to take saffron? Saffron can be used in several ways to reap its health benefits. Traditionally, it is steeped in warm water or milk to release its flavors and consumed as part of dishes like rice, soups, and desserts. For those seeking a more concentrated form, saffron supplements are available. However, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before beginning any supplementation to ensure it fits your health needs. Question 2. What happens if we eat saffron every day? Consuming saffron every day in moderate amounts, up to 30 milligrams, can provide several health benefits, such as improved mood, better digestion, and enhanced cognitive function. However, excessive consumption can lead to potential side effects, so it's important to stick to the recommended dose. Question 3. Is saffron good for men? Saffron is beneficial for men as it can improve sexual health, enhance libido, and boost sperm quality. It also supports cardiovascular health, reduces anxiety, and promotes overall well-being. Question 4. Who cannot eat saffron? Individuals with allergies to saffron or related plants should avoid saffron. Pregnant women should be cautious as high doses of saffron may induce uterine contractions. People with low blood pressure or those on specific medications should consult a doctor before using saffron. Question 5. Is saffron safe to take daily? Yes, saffron is generally safe to take daily as long as you do not exceed the recommended dosage of 30 milligrams per day. It is advisable to consult a healthcare provider, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Question 6. Does saffron whiten skin? Saffron is known for its skin brightening properties. Regular use of saffron can help reduce pigmentation, give an even skin tone, and promote a radiant complexion. While it does not directly whiten the skin, it does help enhance skin clarity and brightness. Question 7. Is saffron bad for the kidneys? Saffron is not known to harm the kidneys when consumed in moderate amounts. In fact, its antioxidant properties may benefit kidney health. However, excessive intake could potentially lead to side effects, so it's best to follow the recommended dosage. Question 8. Why is saffron so expensive? Saffron is expensive due to its labor-intensive harvesting process. It takes around 75,000 saffron flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron. The delicate stigmas must be hand-picked, which adds to the cost of production. Question 9. How much is 1 gram of saffron worth? The price of saffron can vary significantly depending on quality and origin. On average, 1 gram of saffron can cost between $10 to $20, but premium quality saffron can be much more expensive. Question 10. Which country produces the most saffron in the world? Iran is the largest producer of saffron in the world, accounting for approximately 90% of global saffron production. Other countries, such as Spain, India, and Afghanistan also produce saffron, but in smaller quantities. Question 11. Which country eats the most saffron? Iran is not only the largest producer, but also one of the largest consumers of saffron. Saffron is a significant part of Iranian culture and cuisine, and it is used extensively in various traditional dishes. Question 12. How to check the original saffron? To check if saffron is authentic, soak a few strands in warm water or milk. Genuine saffron will release a golden yellow color gradually, while fake saffron may release an artificial or instant color. Additionally, genuine saffron has a distinct aroma, unlike fake or adulterated versions. Question 13. Who buys the most saffron in the world? The largest buyers of saffron are typically countries in the Middle East, Europe, and the United States. Iran exports the most saffron, with significant demand coming from Spain, Italy, and India, among other countries. Question 14. What are the best saffron supplements in the market? Some popular saffron supplements include brands like Saffron 2020, Life Extension Optimized Saffron, and Double Wood Saffron Extract. It's important to choose a supplement that is third-party tested to ensure purity and potency. Question 15. Can pregnant women take saffron? Pregnant women should be cautious when consuming saffron, especially in high doses, as it may induce uterine contractions. It is advisable for pregnant women to consult their doctor before adding saffron to their diet. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.